Hey, I'm excited you're here to watch this video. It means you really want to make some changes in your life. And first and foremost, thank you for taking the time to watch this video. I appreciate it. I know you're probably just squeezing this in on some spare time, and that's okay. That's how easy this is. Spare time. No big deal. If you're looking for some magic get rich quick formula where you just put no effort in, put no time in, and poof, all of a sudden, magically your bank account's got all kinds of zeros in it with big numbers in front of those zeros, stop the video now and move on with your life, because that's not what this is about. Go ahead. I'll wait. Okay. So now that those of you who really want to know, really want to learn, you're still here, which tells me you've reached a turning point in your life. You're ready to get out of the daily grind. You're ready to make things happen that you didn't think were going to be possible. So how are we going to do that? 2 words. Affiliate marketing. Now, what's affiliate marketing, right? I'll tell you. Affiliate marketing is the simple process of finding a company that has an affiliate program. You sign up for their program, and then you market their products for them, earning a commission on every sale. There's different forms. There's earnings based on sales. There's earnings based on specific actions taken. It's not super hard, but it requires you to put an effort in and put the work in. You're thinking, okay, can I do this for free? Yes, you can. And I'm going to give you one example of how you can do this for free today. All right, so to get this thing rolling the quick, easy, cheap, free way, you're going to go to a website called clickbank.com. The page looks like this when it loads, and you want to go to promote. Click on that. It'll take you to this page here where you want to join so you can promote ClickBank products, become an affiliate. Then once you have your account all set up, you will go logging in your dashboard and you'll come to the marketplace, which looks like this. So what you're going to do is scroll through these listed categories on the left. These are all different niches you can sell products for through ClickBanks. So I've decided to go with health and fitness, and we're going to take this one right here, custom keto diet. As you can see, this list, it gives you the average conversion. It also gives you the gravity. The better the gravity, the better conversions. And this product also has a recurring upsell of $86.57. So we're going to promote that. In order to do that, we're going to click this button here that says promote. Put in our nickname. And then a tracking ID if desired. Not necessary, but I'm just going to do one so I know where it's coming from. And then we'll click generate hop link. Now this will be your unique affiliate hop link. So once you've set up your ClickBank account and you go into the marketplace and you've done your research, what you want to do is Google free ad forum, and that'll take you to this website here, the free ad forum, where you'll register for your account. And once you're all done signing up, your account's registered, you go to publish my ad for free. So if you remember, over here we went with health and wellness. So over here in our free ad forum, our category will be health. Our title is going to be Custom Keto Diet. And then we'll just write a brief little description in here. Get your custom keto diet tailored to you. This simple diet plan will accelerate your, whoops, spelled that wrong, weight loss goals. Click here to access now. Then we're just going to highlight the word here. We're going to link it to our hop link that we generated right here. Copy this, back to your ad, find your, there it is, paste your link, insert, done. Country, I'm going to go with Canada because that's where I live. Region, let's pick the most populated province in the country, most populated city in the province. Which will be, anyone? Toronto, that's right. And then city area, we can type in some suburbs like Scarborough, Mississauga, and Newmarket. That's it. We're not putting any website or address in. We'll put some keywords in like keto diet weight loss. We'll scroll down past all these options because the idea of this is to not spend any money. So we will go, no thanks. I do not want extra exposure for my ad right now. I just want to submit a free ad. We will hit publish. And then that is it. Your ad is up and running for free. When you click on my account, I'll show you where you can find it to verify it. As you can see while we're waiting for this to load, there's lots of different categories to choose from. And there's our ad. Custom Keto Diet. Get your custom keto diet tailored to you. That's our ad right there. Boom. Done. Just like that. So, it's that simple to get started. ClickBanks, free ad forum. Easy as pie.